clean them out, put some new seeds down. They like it when there's new seed on the floor. I don't even need to get them all back in. When I put new seed on the floor, they all go in on their own, straight in, straight down. But not a single bird. Alright, there's one just flown up, just another one, just to prove me wrong. But everybody's down, not a single bird, look. They're all down there. It's quite nice to get them all down together. Just sit here and watch them. Each one's an individual. They all do their own different little things. Right, I'm going to show you some young Budgie's first flying lesson today. Right then, here's my babies. Come on then, flying lessons. We got 8 out. There's one over here. Come on then, let's see you fly. Come on, everybody wants to see you take off. It's the first time that they've been out of the box. They're not sure what they got to do yet. Have you? Not sure what you got to do yet? Come on then. Come on then, give it a try. Be brave. Come on, see you flying. Oh, where are you? Come on then, get them wings going. Come on then. Oh, they're liking this. Whoop. Oh, here he is, you got it. Whoa! Losing track of them now. Oh, they're liking this, aren't you guys? First time they've been at this is. So I've got 3 here on the window, look at these. Come on then, have a go. Come on. Come on, come and have a go. No. Come on then, you two. Come on then, do some flying. Come on then, let's see you. I think they're getting tired now. Come on, let's see you flying. You're out for a flying lesson. Come on then, let's see you do it. There's four from one box and 4 from another, so they're not only learning to fly, they're learning to meet other birds as well. Aren't they, guys? And there's birds here you haven't seen before, isn't there? Aye. Oh, go steady. Oh, crash landing down there. Go steady. day. This one just crash landed on the door handle. Come on then, let's see you take off. Come on then, let's see you take off. Go on, be brave. Them two blues there, different family. They're not brother and sister, or brother and brothers. I don't know what sex they are yet. But they both got different parents. But look at them, you think they were twins, wouldn't you? These two greens, they're the same. Their dad died, unfortunately. Lovely green cock, but I lost him. And here's a couple of babies out here. This little blue one, and there's one in the box behind. Dad's been pestering them a bit, so I'll put that little house in. So they come out of the nest box, they got somewhere to go to get out of Dad's way. They'll be coming out in a couple of days. But if Dad pesters them too much, they dive into that little box. There's still a couple in the box yet, ready to come out. Mum's in here. She's started to lay again. There we are. I got a bird on my head in a minute. Go on, off you go. There's them two young ones in the next two to come out. And Mum being the green, she's starting to lay again. Anyway, there we go. Another day in the birdhouse. Young ones out flying. I'll put these into a box on their own now, away from Mum and Dad. Because Mum and Dad have started laying again as well. And if you leave the young ones in too long, they start to break the eggs. I've already had one broken egg this morning. So I'll put these away now into a box on their own, let them start living their lives as budgies. So there we go, another day in the birdhouse. I'll just add in another little bit onto the end of my video. So go on then, make a noise. Well, I've just put all these young ones in here, put some seed in, and seem to be settling down. Apart from the adults up in the bigger flight, this lot up here, making their noises. Anyway, young ones, come on, back down and feed. I like to still feed them when I first put them in. You know everything's alright then. Anyway, catch you later.